Do you have any message for Megan? आमगे Megan बाब.
Megan बाब next आठा जाए तू.
Honey, 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 honey.
Well, for today we are in Jaipur, Rajasthan, and we will be teaching our bikes to visit some nearby places in this electric rickshaw.
He is taking us to some points and the charge is like 5 rupees for each point. Total it will come to 30 rupees for all of us.
First place in the list is this Radhe Mandir. Interesting fact about this temple is that the idol was brought from Vrindavan by Raja Sawairaj Singh. When Raja Sawairaj Singh was the ruler of Jaipur in 1700s. Second place is Jantar Mantar, which is nearby to the city palace Jaipur. This was also built by Raja Sawairaj Singh, the founder in 1734.
For entrance they are taking 50 rupees per person. आमचे झाले 150 rupees.
This place has total of 19 astronomical instruments, out of which it features world's largest stone sundial. Well, sundial is a device which tells time.
If you want to take good pictures, then only come. Otherwise, it's of no use for travelers. Right? No use.
This is a tourist market it seems for tourists to shop over here.
Third place is the city palace of Jaipur, which was a ceremonial and administrative place until 1949. The palace was also the location of religious and cultural events.
Here the ticket is 200 rupees per person.
The place also has a museum inside which has all the clothes and weapons owned by royal families. Fourth place is this gorgeous and very famous Hawa Mahal. Built from the red and pink sandstones, the palace sits on the edge of the city. Built in 1799 by Maharaja Pratap Singh, the grandson of Raja Sawairaj Singh.
This is the entrance of Hawa Mahal. Whoa. Gorgeous.
The main intent of this honeycomb lattice-like design was to allow the royal ladies to observe everyday life and festivals celebrated on the streets below without being seen. Many people think that it is the front of the palace, but they are wrong. It is the back.
If you all want to explore it entirely, then do take a guide. This is the first floor of Hawa Mahal. This is the second last top floor of Hawa Mahal. Last floor of Hawa Mahal. You can see. Want to go over there? This is the topmost part of Hawa Mahal. Just हांगा एक आता लोक आशिल्ले सगळ्यांक धांवणयले आनी आमी आतां एकलेच आसा हांगा टॉपाचेर स्पेशल एंट्री. You can see the city. We have parked our bikes down from the top of the Hawa Mahal. You can see Jantar Mantar over there. That is the city palace. Well, the time is 11:36 and we have reached Jal Mahal.
Well, the fifth place is this beautiful Jal Mahal. Just look at it. This palace is in the middle of Mansagar Lake in Jaipur city. Well, the palace was built to deal with drought and to help cope with the conditions and provide irrigational facilities throughout the year.
Well, the time is 12 and we have reached Amber Palace.
Sixth place is Amber Fort, located in Amber, Rajasthan. With an area of 4 square kilometers and located 11 kilometers away from Jaipur city. Built by Raja Man Singh, it is the principal tourist attraction in Jaipur. Well, people told us that we can take our bikes inside, so here we are exploring. Amber Fort is known for its artistic style elements with its large rampart and series of gates. The palace was the residence of Rajput Maharajas and their families.
Here you just have to pay 10 rupees while entering. You can take your car or your bike and come on the top of the Amber Palace. But don't listen to the guides. Now we are going near the step well. This is a palace where the Maharajas used to live, and fort is where the people, security people used to live.
This is why I was telling you all to stay away from the guides.
इधर से जाना है आपको, पैलेस जाना है ना आमेर फोर्ट, इधर से जा सकते हैं।
नहीं, palace से नहीं जाना है।
कहाँ जाना, 15 मिनट?
ऐसे ऐसे रुकाओ मत रे. This is not a right way.
Here we are at Pan Minaga Kund, that is the stepwell, built in 16th century by Maharaja Jai Singh. It was a meeting spot for women and a place to chit-chat and catch up on each other's lives. This place is so beautiful and yet such a less crowd. However, I recommend that you all visit Pan Minaga Kund while you get the chance to have it all to yourself.
बस एक फोटो खींचोगे हमारा, वो पीछे आना चाहिए. यहाँ उधर से खींचो. और एक Thank you. What a traffic in city. What a traffic. You have to use your horns over here. Petrol pump किधर है?
मेरा 2 रुपये उधर 1 किलोमीटर चल जाएगी।
क्या है?
Sand in the middle of the ocean.
Oh kaka, oh cha cha. This is the only reason why we don't travel in the daylight, because of the traffic. The time is 2 and our next destination is Bikaner, Rajasthan, and our Zenon Bab is not well. This ride of his is too long, as in his mind is prepared but his body is giving up. Well, the time now is 3:51 and Bikaner is still 284 kilometers to go. It is saying 4 hours it will take. Megan Bab, if you are watching this, Amay has a 2016 kilometers. Do you have any message for Megan?
Next ride है तू.
Megan Bab, next ride, we want you. The time is 5:31. Still 212 kilometers are remaining, and it is saying 3 hours 12 minutes it will take. Well, the time now is 6:56. 50 kilometers to go. 2 hours it's showing, and 10 p.m. we'll reach. I think we'll reach by 9:30 p.m. Amay has taken a break to clean the lights. The petrol is 99. माझ्या हातून 825 रुपीज गेले. अमय बाबाच्या हातून 834 रुपीज. 10 रुपीज चढ गेले अमय बाबाच्या हातून. And how is the ride going?
Doing good.
Time is 9:20 and we have reached Bikaner.
Time was 9:20 and we beat Google Map to reach Bikaner, but it was worthless as the main Junagadh fort was closed. Well, let me give you an info about the place. The fort was called as Chintamani and was renamed to Junagadh Fort. Junagadh Fort is an old fort in 20th century when the royal families moved to Lalgarh Palace, which was also closed, but now it is open to public as a 5-star hotel.
Nothing to see over here. You can come and stay over here. One room will cost you 10,000. Nice, you know. So Bikaner was one of the points which we were supposed to come in the morning, but unfortunately we are here at night time. So now we are leaving for Jodhpur. Come here for a little bit of rest. We had our dinner at Gallop's restaurant right opposite to Junagadh Fort, and obviously after heavy dinner we were a bit sleepy. Oh, campfire. How's the campfire? The time is 2:27 and we just slept over there for like 1.5 hours. You can see my eyes. We are heading now towards Jodhpur. 4 hours 53 minutes it's showing. Time is 3:13. Break again. The time now is 5:48 in Rajasthan. Daylight is very hot. It's very hot, and at night time it's very cold. Yeah, it's true. Chod thon. Beyond down man. I think it is like 17 degrees. Well, the time now is 6:45 and we are traveling at good speed. The roads are very good. The climate is very nice. How am I? किती म्हणता?
Power.
किती पावर?
Means some powerful पडल्या.
नींद बरी पडली. आणि
करते हैं।
नहीं हम
आपको नहीं
तुम
चाहिए?
डेली भरो लेकिन ये ठीक नहीं नहीं बंद बंद
आपको नहीं चाहिए?
नहीं चाहिए नहीं पेट्रोल चाहिए ये बंद करो
शर्ट का
अरे फोन बंद करो अरे आग लग जाएगा